And then now in Christianity, remember we talked about courtship in the traditional African society. What are the guidelines to be followed in a Christian courtship? Number one, you should remain chaste. If you've identified this particular girl you're going to marry, you should wait until you're what? You're married. Remain chaste. And then you avoid visiting each other frequently. Even if Kiburia, you know, particular girl, I'm going to marry her, you don't keep on going to see her. No frequent visits. Because this is going to interfere with one's personal work, program, and responsibilities also. And as a person, during the time of courtship, both of you, the girl and the boy, or the man and the girl, they should be able to be friendly and civil to everyone else. You see, there are people when they love, they do what? They say, they disregard everyone else, and you remain the two of you. You tell them, can we meet? No, I'm going to meet so and so. And they keep on spending time what? Together. They disregard everyone. In Christianity, we say you're not supposed to disregard everyone else during your courtship, just because you're in love. It is very wrong. You should also avoid jealousy when your partner or your fiancé whom you're going to marry mixes with the opposite sex. You should avoid jealousy. And during courtship or Christian courtship, this is the time that you're supposed to seek good, objective advice from older couples. You seek advice. You also suppose this is the time that you're supposed to commit yourself into what? Prayer. You are praying for your marriage and for your upcoming spouse. You should also seek counsel on those people who are well educated on number of children that you can have, the spacing of the children. During courtship is the time that you're supposed to seek a lot of advice on contraceptives and how to manage family finances. That is why I told you the church offers what? The counseling on finances. And then we go to importance